This is a Conestoga wagon of frontier fame. These were the wheels that carried the pioneers and all their possessions across America. These are the wheels that covered a continent. Today, the wheels are different, but they're still rolling.
Wheels are rolling, rolling all along the highway. Wheels that keep a-rolling all the night and day, singing a song of the men behind the motor trucks, a song of safety and service all along the way. Keep them rolling, keep America strong, east, west, north, south, rolling along. Wheels are rolling, rolling all across the nation. Wheels that keep a-rolling all the night and day, singing a song of the men behind the motor trucks. Keep 'em rolling all across the USA.
Chevy Blazer, our go-anywhere fun vehicle. With a 350 V8 engine, you can order full-time four-wheel drive, so you get the advantages of four-wheel drive off the road and on the road, and there's no need to lock or unlock front hubs. Chevy Blazer, it never forgets it's a tough truck.
With Americans looking for extra value and double use in just about everything they buy, GMC's new light-duty trucks for 1980 are designed for the decade. We believe, like many, that trucks will prove to be more useful and more keepable than cars, with tough construction truck components and remarkable styling stability. So here are the 1980s. Light-duty trucks for the decade by GMC.
The all-new GMC Sierra is hundreds of improvements on everything the full-size pickup has ever been before. The largest new vehicle investment in General Motors history. What can we possibly say about hundreds of improvements? Just this, they're not improvements until you say they are. Test drive the new Sierras soon.
I'm an easy guy to satisfy, I only want the best. Sierra is the pickup designed to pass the test. Performance with the spirit that I've never felt before. My new GMC Sierra, it's not just a truck anymore. My new GMC Sierra, it's not just a truck anymore. Oh no.
Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long. You're gonna need somebody to lean on.
Over the years, more people have leaned on GMC and Chevy trucks than any other make.
If there is a load you have to bear that you can't carry, I'm right up the road and I'll share your load. You just got to lean on me.
GMC and Chevy, the trucks more people lean on.
The limited edition GMC Cyclone, technology that speaks for itself. In fact, your GMC truck dealer would like to show you only one more Cyclone feature.
GMC truck. We built a reputation for truck strengths. A considerable advantage that also comes in this handy take-home size. Sierra from GMC Truck.
Introduces a tougher, meaner animal, full-sized with heavier backbone, standard rear-wheel anti-lock brake system. The highest standard power in its class. A tougher hide of galvanized steel. The 1988 Chevy full-size pickup. A tougher, meaner animal.
Nothing works like a Chevy truck.
Stood there boldly, sweating in the sun. Felt like a million, felt like number one. Like a rock, I was strong as I could be. Like a rock, nothing ever got to me. Like a rock, I was something to see. Like a rock,
The trucks you can depend on, the trucks that last.
like a rock,
Chevy trucks.
standing arrow straight. Like a rock, charging from the gate. Like a rock, carrying the weight. Like a rock, oh, like a rock.
It has the most powerful Vortec engine ever made. Four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes standard, and the largest, most comfortable cab we've ever built.
Yeah, what? Your truck's here. Good, they said they'd drop it off.
The totally redesigned Sierra by GMC. Now that's a truck, I'll say.
For the 1% of the world that expects more from a truck, there's the all-new GMC Sierra. Completely redesigned with the first ever standard four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes on a half-ton pickup and our largest cab ever. 1%ers, your wait is over. Come in now during the National Sierra Invitation Days. It's your chance to make comparisons, not compromises.
At GMC, we know that payloads don't need to stretch their legs. Listen to XM satellite radio, enjoy dual climate control, or watch DVDs. But people do. Introducing the new GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab. Professional grade engineering. It's not more than you need, just more than you're used to.
Move it on over. Move up, roll down, cross a new dawn, moving in.
There are good ideas. There are great ideas. Then there are ideas that meet a higher standard. And those are the only ideas that make it into our trucks and SUVs. GMC professional grade engineering. It's not more than you need, just more than you're used to.
Engineers saw every square inch of the Sierra
as an opportunity for another breakthrough. Introducing the more comfortable, more powerful, and the most fuel-efficient all-new 2007 GMC Sierra. We examined everything and overlooked nothing to create our greatest pickup yet. That's professional grade.
Get fly, get fly, get fly, fly, get fly.
When you combine the most powerful half-ton V8 engine on the road with over 400 horses of power at 20 miles per gallon, the way you move will never be the same again. The all-new 2007 GMC Sierra Denali. Experience the freedom of professional grade.
Gotta fly.
A fully boxed steel frame. A proven Duramax diesel engine. And the same make of transmission found in an M1 tank. Introducing the strongest, smartest, most powerful Sierra HD series, including the first ever Denali. Never send a truck to do a Sierra's job. Intense heat treating processes are used to harden the business end of high-end excavating equipment. Unlike any other competitor, GMC also uses a heat treating process called ferritic nitrocarburizing, which can double wear life on the 2014 Sierra's Dura-Life brake rotors. Introducing the all-new GMC Sierra. Incredible thinking in the form of a truck. That's professional grade.
GMC Sierra 1500 Denali makes a bold, refined first impression inside and out. Sierra Denali's exterior design is powerful and distinctive, from its striking signature grille to its unique wheels, Denali badging, and chrome accents. Inside, Denali rewards driver and passenger with comfort and technology. Its interior refinement starts with the heated, leather-wrapped telescoping steering wheel. Standard heated and cooled leather-appointed bucket seats give you a premium cabin experience. Enjoy the craftsmanship of unique French stitching, soft-touch instrument panel, and real aluminum trim. Sierra Denali's customizable driver display, color touch radio with IntelliLink, and rear vision camera all come standard, putting the technology you deserve at your command. And Sierra Denali delivers the ultimate listening experience with the new premium performance Bose audio system. GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, the ultimate in professional grade.
To build strength and durability into the bed of the all-new Sierra, GMC engineers demanded rolled formed steel. For the same reason rolled steel is used in the hulls of submarines. Big ones. Introducing the all-new GMC Sierra. Incredible thinking in the form of a truck. That's professional grade. The Hoover Dam's power plant uses smart grid technology to conserve energy when it can and make more when needed. The GMC Sierra does the same with direct injection, active fuel management, and variable valve timing for the most fuel-efficient V8 in a pickup, even beating Ford's EcoBoost V6, conserving fuel when you don't need it, and creating power when duty calls. The all-new GMC Sierra. Incredible thinking in the form of a truck. That's professional grade.